Hi, I'm Longster1970 and today I'm going to be installing this BRExhaust on the 2006 Nissan Ultima with the 2.5 liter engine. Let's get started. This is the BRExhaust part number 106-0070. It's supposed to be a direct fit. Picked this up from AutoZone. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. Comes with these instructions. Comes with this pipe here, this pipe here, resonator, muffler, flange gasket, 3 muffler clamps, and 2 bolts for the flange. So to take the old system off, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start cutting it from the rear and then take it out piece by piece. Okay, I've got the jack stands under the rear control arms. I checked it, it's secure. I need to remove the exhaust. I think it'll slide back once I get it disconnected from here. So I think I'm going to cut here. I seriously doubt it'll come apart if I just try to take those bolts out. I'll try. See if they'll come out, and clamp's definitely going to bust off. But maybe I'll look out and it'll come apart. Well, I tried removing this clamp. It just fell apart. So I'm going to cut through it with this. That's no good. Blade's dull. All the exhaust that I took off of the 2006 Nissan Ultima. I had to cut the exhaust pipe here and here. And I was able to pull everything out once I disconnected the flange up here. Supposed to start with part 4, which is a muffler, and then connect part 2, and then connect the intermediate pipe to the catalytic converter, or secondary catalytic converter pipe. Remove this so I can get this hanger up in the frame. So you should be able to slide that up in here from the back. Flashlight up in there. There we go. I'm not there for now. See, that's hanging right up in there. Looks good. I get the next piece of pipe, and then that's gonna hang it in there. Okay, this piece of pipe is gonna hang. This hanger is going through here. Then it'll go up towards the front. I'll have to get the other piece of pipe and attach that, and then I'll connect up to that catalytic converter. But then this here, these two should connect together. Stay up. See if we can get these two connected. Should connect together. I should probably put some exhaust sealer on there. Once I get that where it should be. Get that other pipe, hook that up in there. I'll be right back. This piece of pipe, take that in here. I'll put the right end in. It's gonna have to go up over top of that. Top of this piece, and in here. Go just like that. I think it won't go like that. Will it go like that? No, it's gotta go kind of like that. gonna be a little tricky because I've got to hook it up in there and then connect it up on this end, which I just replaced that not long ago, so there shouldn't be any gasket material on there. Let me look. Yeah, that should be good. Make sure which end goes where. I presume it goes like that. I need 11/16. Okay, I've got these bolts snugged up. I'm going to go to the back and start putting clamps on and get this thing back together. I'm going to be using some of this exhaust seal, joint and crack sealer, on the sections of the pipe. So I'm going to be putting some back here and then slide this together and doing the same thing up there. Okay, now I've got some on here. I'm going to slide these two sections of pipe together. I could probably use more on there. Put a clamp on here. I'm going to get a ratchet and snug them up. Let's take a 9/16 socket. So I'm just gonna snug them up for now. Now I'm gonna go up to the front. I got the clamp on here. There, and there's one up here. Oh, there's one there and one up here, muffler clamp, and I had to turn the resonator 180 degrees so it would get up in there properly. If that's incorrectly, I got to torque up those bolts. I got to torque the muffler clamps, which are going to be torqued to 30 foot-pounds, and then I'll check for leaks. Tightening these up to 30 foot-pounds. We're in the hanger good. Okay, we'll move to the next one. Make sure it's nice and good there. Tight. Get this one. That's good. I'm gonna tighten those ones in the front yet. Got these bolts tightened up to 20 foot-pounds. It should be good. I'm gonna check the exhaust, see if I have any leaks. So it seems to be pretty good. Don't see any leaks. Don't hear any leaks. Well, that'll do it for installing the replacement exhaust on the 2006 Nissan Ultima with the 2.5 liter. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.